What's good with the YouTube? Y'all tuning into another video, man. It's Doing Vlog, guys. How y'all doing today, man? I hope everybody doing good. Hope everybody having a great day. All right, man, we're gonna get straight to it, man. This video is about what to do and what not to do on YouTube. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tips, a little advice, man, and what I've learned, what I've been showed, and ins and outs. All right, so this gonna be like if y'all guys want to start a YouTube channel, okay? Just say if you want to start a basketball YouTube channel. Start a basketball YouTube channel. You playing basketball, you go home, you edit and all this stuff. You basically edit the highlights, all the good stuff, right? So on that channel, just say you start getting a little subscribers and stuff like that. Just say you gain 5 subscribers, 5 views and stuff like that. You feel like, okay, well, tomorrow I'm gonna do the same thing. That's what you're supposed to do. Do the same thing. It's basically your niche, basketball. You're gonna be doing basketball, you're doing your highlights and stuff like that. You might can throw a football, you might, play football, throw some football clips and highlight stuff in because it's a sports. Now your channel is about sports and stuff like that. Now, since you're playing basketball, you're playing football, now your audience starting engaging with you, start knowing you as a person, start knowing what you like to do and all that stuff like that, your moves and stuff like that. You can also teach a lot of people your moves and the stuff you do so they can get used to and familiar with it. Now, just say, okay, for your third video, okay, I'm going to post some cars on my channel, okay? Well, you might not get that many views. And then the next day, just say if you do vlogging. And then the day after that, just say, okay, guys, I just bought some new shoes. Here's my shoes. Now you're confusing YouTube, right? You're confusing YouTube. Now YouTube don't know who to push your videos to. How are you gonna get subscribers if your video is not gonna get pushed out to the people to subscribe, right? So you basically gonna have to stick to your niche. What do you like to do? If you're a basketball, you started with basketball. If the basketball start making you grow, if that's what's growing your channel, stick with that niche. Do not switch it up. So what you would have to do, number two, is change. If you're into basketball, you're gonna have to have that a channel. If you're into vlogging, you're gonna have to make a whole another channel. You don't need to put 2 different niches in the same channel. You're gonna confuse the algorithm, you're gonna confuse YouTube. They're not gonna know where to send your videos to. Do not get discouraged about you getting views that you don't get discouraged, don't feel bad. This is where the hard part come in. Now you're gonna be frustrated, you're gonna get irritated because you feel like, okay, why is I'm not getting the views like I was getting on my first and second videos? I was doing basketball, I was doing football, but why I'm not doing views now? I'm vlogging, I'm showing people what I like to do. No, because it's a different niche. You're vlogging, but they clicked on your channel to see your highlights, to see your basketball, to see that, the football. You know what I'm saying? They didn't want to come over here and see you open some shoes. And if it was not about basketball, they don't want to see you just vlogging shoes and put them on and just, okay guys, we out for the day. Like, no. So you're gonna have to stick to niche. Every channel should have its own niche. I know it's hard, but I have 8 channels. I started one channel about my lifestyle, and I was just trying to do lifestyle. That didn't work, but I started putting cars on it. That was where my views was coming from. I'm like, So I started switching them up again, doing vlogs, doing family with me and all that stuff. Everything's starting to drop. I went back to cars, everything shot back up. So I said, okay, cool. I would start a vlog channel and I would start another channel, like a how-to channel. I did that, I did the how-to channel. Well, I started on the how-to channel. I was just like, you know what? How to put a dishwasher in. How to change a tire. How to mow your own lawn. I was switching it up. Even though it was how-to, it was just the wrong how-to. Like, the algorithm, YouTube didn't know where to push my YouTube videos. They didn't know if to push them to the mechanic part, sports part. Okay, how to mow your lawn. Okay, should we push them to the indoor, outdoor? I mean, the outside thing, the construction. Like, Cause I was switching them up, even though there was how-to. When they say narrow down your niche, you really gotta narrow down your niche. If I'm doing a how-to video on cars, I gotta do how to take a tire, how to change brakes, how to fix a flat, how to change light bulbs out of a car, how to, vacuum the car the right way. Car. Everything I gotta do is gotta be dealing with cars. So definitely have to narrow down your niche. Do not switch it up and thinking, oh, okay, since I'm doing a how-to video, I can do how-to on everything. No, everything, you will be everywhere. YouTube won't know where to push your videos. So therefore, you are not gonna get the signs that you want. Stick to one niche and continue to stick to one niche. Stay consistent. A lot of people always tell me like, hey, I see you staying consistent. Man, I want to stay consistent, man. I post one video a week. Well, I always tell somebody, look, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I started off posting one video a week. I slowly grow. Then I started opening up a little bit. I started posting at least 3 videos a week. It started doing little numbers and stuff. I started getting recognized. I started getting more engagement, more followers or subscribers, whatever you want to call it. I started doing that. Then I noticed, I'm like, you know what? I'm finna post every day. I got my cars and stuff here, man. I got something to do every day. Y'all got to excuse the background. So every day I'm posting. Then I'm like, whoa, out of my 10th video, I done ran out of content. Everything I done posted, I done fixed it all, So it's like, what now? So I just had to narrow it down. And I said, you know what? Now I'm burning myself out. I'm killing my channel. Now I'm not getting the views like that because once I post one video a day, everybody, the people that has the phones, they might get the video. If I drop a video today, it might come to a couple people's phones, but if some people might not be on YouTube. Some people might stroll on YouTube and all of a sudden then my video will pop up. So you gotta take consideration as everybody's not gonna watch because everybody might not get it right then. The people that gonna get the alerts right then is the people that's on their phone or waiting for somebody to drop a video. So I was getting burnt out. And I was getting 1,000 views this day. And then the next day I might get 600 views. Then the next day, 800 views. Then the next day, 300. I'm like, what the I'm posting every day. I'm staying consistent. But no, I didn't give enough time to let the whole videos form. The people that, if I drop a video today, they probably see that video, and then the people that have not seen the video, I done dropped another one that day. Now they seen the one I dropped this day, but not that day. So now it's throwing everything off. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna start posting Tuesdays and Fridays. That'll give me a little leeway. They'll give me plenty more time, and they'll give my people to stay tuned. So that's what I did. When I did that, everything started skyrocketing. I started seeing green. I started seeing more money, more views, and all that stuff, guys. So that's what you don't want to do. You don't want to burn yourself out. I say if you want to post every day, you could, but make sure you write down a lot of content. Depending on what you're doing, if you're doing vlogs and you're trying to vlog every day, 9 out of 10, if you might not have a day job, because if you're vlogging every day, people might not want to see you go to work every day vlog unless you can pick up the phone and actually vlog, so it'd be a little different. You don't want to vlog the same thing over and over and over. You're going to have to know you got something to do every day. So if you're vlogging, if I was you, I will hustle hard right then to get myself out of there. I would post at least 3 videos a week to get me out of there, to get me my subscribers, to start showing YouTube, hey, I'm staying consistent, I'm posting. Find your rhythm, and then if 3 days don't work, then jump to 2 days every week. Try that, do the same thing, stay consistent, stay grinding, work, boom, 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 2 days a week. And then you're gonna be like, okay, maybe the 3-day work, the 2-day don't work, or maybe every day work and the rest of them don't work. So now, if that's what's working, stick to it, stay to it. Go home, get you a notebook, write down everything that you're gonna do, you're gonna make a video on, and do it. Post. Like Mr. B said, You get a video, just upload. I tell everybody, upload, post. You're not gonna get views on your first video, on your second video, maybe on your 101st video, then let's talk. So on your 101 video, then that's when things might start popping off. So stay consistent, man, especially beginner, small, you trying to grow, you trying to start. You got to start somewhere now. Best thing to do, introduce yourself on your first video. Tell people who you are, tell people what you're going to be doing, and stick to it. Talk about, if you're doing cars, talk about that you're going to be doing cars. Keep cars in your tag. Tag everything that got something to do with cars, and then make sure your video is going to be about cars. To be specific now, to get the people what you want them to know about you. So yes, that's it, man. That's the do's and don'ts, what to do on YouTube, man. So if y'all like the channel, man, please like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn that post notifications on. We're out.